it's your boy SelfmadeQwan back with another video, and I'm filming the behind the scenes of our photo shoot. So yeah, this is in the making. Photography for Instagram, Twitter, and we're doing a behind the scenes for my channel. Damn, the light turned off right here. Interesting picture. It's an interesting picture. Yeah. Oh, hey, David look like a cute boy. They should put me around. Put this back right here. Hold up.
But honestly, bro, you can't lie. This is a great spot. I mean, really, like, look at the city over here. You got the stuff in the background and everything. Like, we can shoot a whole movie, like, over here, for real, like, no cap. So, Jerry, how was your experience being a model?
A model, damn. Okay. My experience so far is very, very interesting. It's a pretty beautiful.
Boring.
Honestly, like,
go ahead and get off with this. Look at it. Look at it.
Hey, I need screen time.
Hey, boy, get up, boy. Get up, boy. Get up, boy.
Screen time.
this is your channel, bro.
Yeah, this yeah.
Light, bro.
Kind of mouth.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
like
Yeah, hold up.
No, it ain't gonna work like that.
Hey, that's nice right there. Hey, that's it's a wrap.
All right, taking some more pictures, different angles. Trying not to get caught.
Practice.
Just get the back. Check.
I don't know what to do with my hands, so.
You want to take it on real quick?
Shit.
You want to need a prop? You need a hat?
Get crazy.
You need a bottle?
Okay, nigga. Purple. The making of great pictures.
Hell yeah. I wonder how they look on that side.
We're working into the steps. I'll show y'all my scenery right now. All this is the making of great
Do you have
pictures.
any banners? Hey, Quan.
Huh?
Get this. So, KB. Question of the night. Does KB have banners? Play the clip!
No. I ain't got no manners for no sluts. I'ma put my thumb in a butt.
I'm playing the song.
Why? Why
Yeah.
you make me do this?